Hi there, how are you doing today? I am here in the southern town of Padang Besar, just a stone's throw away from the Malaysian border, and we are here in the Songkhla province. And this is actually the first time I'm attending this bird singing contest here in Thailand. Let's have a look here. So there we have the contestants. They are the birds in the cages there. And the objective of this bird singing contest is that each round is 15 seconds, and after the start signal goes, the bird that sings the most times wins. Very easy. So those are the birds in the cages, and here are the bird owners trying to get their birds to sing the most times. Let's have a look at some of the birds here. So these are the birds waiting to get into the contest, and they are practicing. Another unseen attraction here in the far deep south of Thailand, bird singing contest. Well, that's all for me from the bird singing contest here in Padang Besar, not far from the Malaysian border. See you later. Bye-bye. This is Padang Besar. It is a border town between Thailand and Malaysia. And this is as close as I get to another country besides Thailand during this COVID-19 pandemic. So what we see here is the border fence, and there's barbed wire down there to prevent people from crossing over to the other side. Barbed wires on the ground and on the fence over there. And yeah, on the other side you see Malaysia.